Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. I have a banknote for you, a couple of banknotes for you that I'd like to show you. The first one is a oblong banknote. These are local banknotes within the UK, so they are not actual UK issue, but they're issued by specific areas. This one is from the Northern Bank. It's £5 sterling. It has a blue oblong design. It has a circle, certainly has one of the watermarks in a polymer area, and it's orange and green. You have at the bottom you have a white area with a star punched in it with a clear center, and you have a, seems to be like, it's the circle there is sort of 2/3, and you've got the other third of it over here on the opposite side. As I say, this is £5 sterling. It is mainly blue, and you do have some white waves, look like radio waves going out from it. On the back you have a picture of a shuttle, and then like a global icon with red lines going around without the maps of the world on it. Again, it says £5 sterling. So this was issued for the local area by the Northern Bank, from somewhere within that area, or their area of expertise, and it was I'm not sure when the note was actually used. Normally these local notes have a short area or short time period, sometime within normally 2 years of issue. This next one, I bought one note and received two. They're from Brixton, so they were for sale in the Brixton area and for use in the Brixton area. And it's David Bowie, and the David Bowie's on both of them. This one is £100. It gives his years of his life, which was 1947 to 2016. There's the £100 logo in the top left and the top right. It has 3 different pictures of Bowie down the left hand side of the Union Jack area. There is also probably one of David Bowie's most famous photos, which is Aladdin Sane with the lightning makeup. On the back it's just a keep calm, it's only money. Now I don't know whether this was like a fantasy note, I think it may well be, but it came with this particular note, which is the Bowie £10 from Brixton. It's got 10 in various places, and there is an orange vertical break in the note, and then it has Bowie on a bluish background with a bluish tinge to the portrait, but it shows the Aladdin Sane lightning makeup on the front of the note. And then on the back of the note we have a peace dove as a hologram. We have 10 is written pneumatically, and the 10 has the peace symbol in it. We then have a various amounts of 10s along the, written horizontally along a design, and then at the bottom corner, at the top left and bottom left and top right, you have the pound symbol. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 birds flying into the hologram of the dove, and then you have a geometrical design on the back with blue and orange lines and a lighter blue background. This note I think it was issued in 2018. Well, again, as a local note, it would only have had either a 12 or 24 months maximum usage, and it could only be used in certain shops that would accept local currency. The idea behind local currency being that people would spend locally in local shops, and what you would do is you would go to the council and you would buy these notes. They normally had denominations ranging from sort of £1 through to £20. But the reason I got these is because I am a Bowie fan, and I did actually I've enjoyed owning these notes. It's something different in your collection. So that ends this particular video. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up, because it doesn't cost you a second and it helps my algorithm out no end, as does being subscribed to the channel. Now, I have been viewing analytics recently, and around about 35% to 40% of the people who watch my videos on a regular basis are not actually subscribed. So I appeal to them in particular. Please think about subscribing to the channel. I would love to grow it, and everything that comes with that. You helping me by subscribing and giving me a thumbs up will help the algorithm that puts me in front of people who, or put me in suggestion boxes of people who are haven't viewed my videos as yet. Having said that, all I'd like to say is until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, for me, ta-ra for now. Bye bye.